Om Mahalakshmi Avahayami Sthapayami Pujayami. Om Mahalakshmiyai Namaha.
Shrishti, are you not attending the quantum physics class by the renowned physicist?
Happy Diwali, Drishika. I'm doing the Lakshmi Invocation Puja.
Come on, Shrishti, you're not living in 4th century BC. Why do you waste time on these superstitions?
For that matter, if we live our life without knowing the very purpose of it, it becomes a superstitious life.
What justification do you have for invoking Lakshmi with a small pot of water and a coconut on it?
I have a surprise for you. I've invited the scientists to come here and see the Lakshmi Puja before the class. I think she's here now. Happy Deepavali to both of you. Happy Deepavali, Dr. Paloma. I was listening to your conversation, Drishika, and I see the importance of these Vedic rituals because I see a connection to all different branches of science, especially quantum physics.
After listening to your quantum physics talks on light, all these rituals, including the Deepavali celebration, looks meaningless to me.
I hope you know that all the atoms in your body and in the universe are held together by photons, the main fundamental unit of light.
Yes, I remember that light can behave both as a particle to absorb energy and also as a wave.
Exactly. When light is absorbed, it crystallizes like a particle. This is known as the famous double-slit light experiment.
So when we invoke intentionally Lakshmi as light on Deepavali, we can experience as well-being in our life?
Yes. You should know about an incident in the life of the great Adi Shankaracharya. On the Deepavali day, Adi Shankaracharya was returning from the Mysore Chamundi temple to the Kuladhatri mountain in Karnataka. There he meditated in the Chitramula cave. Goddess Devi appeared in front of him in the form of divine light. Now we can watch an episode in his life.
शिवशक्त्या युक्तो यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुम् न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वाम् आराध्याम् हरिहर विरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति Devi, Mother, Shiva accompanied by you can create the whole universe. Without you, Shiva cannot even move himself. Therefore, all gods and goddesses worship you. If I can sing or pray to you, it must be my previous birth's meritorious deeds that I have done.
Shankara, how can I bless you?
Devi, you are in the form of Saraswati, Mahalakshmi, and Durga. Please come to my home state, Kerala, in your Saraswati form. It is upon request by the great King Chereman Perumal, who loves his citizens and cares so much for him.
I will, but one condition. You walk in the front and I will follow you, but should never look back to check on me.
Right away, Devi, I will start my journey. This is the place in Kollur called Maranaghatte, the place where they killed the demon Mukasura. The trident here still remains without rust, even after the harsh rains and bad weather. I don't hear Devi's footsteps. Is she even here? I think I should check.
Shankara, you turn back and observe me. I will not follow you anymore. I will stay at this spot.
Devi, please forgive me. Please come to Kerala. I know it's because the Shivlinga here has a golden line above him.
I would present myself at Chotanikara temple early in the morning as Saraswati and rest of the time as Lakshmi and Durga. I will stay here in my Saraswati form when the temple's doors are open.
Devi, you will be worshipped here in Mugampika as Saraswati in the morning, Mahalakshmi at noon, and Durga in the evening. But whoever writes alphabets on turmeric mixed rice will have their ignorance and ego removed by your grace.
I will bless everyone who worships in the form of light.
Firecrackers or fireworks gives us three forms of energy. Saraswati Devi will be the sound energy, Mahalakshmi will be the light energy, and Durga will be the heat energy.
However, light is a perceptible form of God. We cannot see light directly, but we can only see it when it interacts with other materials. Hence, the vacuum space appears dark.
Likewise, we cannot see God, but through God's energy, we can see and do all our actions.
So that is why we use Kalasha to invoke Lakshmi's energy.
Yes, with the electromagnetic force of light waves, Lakshmi Agaman on Deepavali evening is done in a kalasha. A kalasha is a small copper pot filled with water and herbs, along with a coconut on it.
Wait a minute, this is too much of boring science and a nice Deepavali festival there.
But if you want the blessings of Lakshmi, like Adi Shankaracharya, you should invoke Saraswati or knowledge to understand why we're doing such rituals. Yes, we must love all people, even with their different wavelength of maturity.
People have different maturity based on the amount of energy they possess and how they use it.
Antakarna Shuddhi, or being selfless, only happens when we remove jealousy, pride, and meanness. Then naturally, anger, hate, hatred, lust, and greed will be gone.
So, before giving the kalasha on Deepavali evening, cleaning the house and lighting many lamps is a symbol of removing our inner darkness. That way, every day we'll be celebrating as Deepavali.
I bless you all, one all in